Now the sign convention through the convex lens. We have just studied the how can we form the images by using the convex lens. Now we are going to do the different questions based on the convex lens. This is a lens, and I'm making a rough figure for explaining the numerical portion of convex lens. Suppose we are keeping the object here. Now, first step is coming parallel to the principal axis is passes from principal focus. I think you are new. Kaltia, your name? Joshwan. Okay, beta. Okay, the line which is coming parallel to the principal axis is passes from the principal focus. And the light is coming from towards the optical center. Okay, there is a one question from my side, that is why the light do not converge when it passes from the optical center. Who is going to explain this answer? Who will explain it? Why the light ray do not converge, do not good?
Because the angle of reflection and the angle of incidence are at the normal.
I mean, they are not normal to each other. Look at here. Are they normal?
They are at the optical center.
How can we say that this line is normal? It's called normally at the optical center. Normally is coming from this side, and this is called a normal. Normally is perpendicular. It's not perpendicular. So why this light do not converge? I think we don't try to find the answer of this question. Go ahead. Sit down. Don't try to find the answer of this question. Okay, this is again for you. Challenge. नहीं आया तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में बताऊंगा। अच्छा, आपके पास टाइम है, ढूंढो जाके क्या है, क्यों नहीं होगी डेविएट। Okay, the line which is coming towards the optical center passes straight without any deviation, so they meet here. The distance of the object from the lens is represented by the symbol. Where is Anjali? Anjali, na? Anjali, the symbol which we use to represent the distance of the object from the lens. The symbol which we use to find the distance of the object from the lens. Not V. We use U, small u. We represent U. U is represent the distance of the object from the lens. Like the mirrors. Like same as the mirror. Like a mirror, we know that distance of the object from the lens is, or the mirror is represented by small u, so it is also represented by u. And according to, we know that this sign convention also takes place like the sign convention which happened in the Cartesian plane. I explained to you yesterday that if you are measuring the distance from this side to this side, it will represent it with the negative sign. Don't use your copy and anything. While I am explaining you, कुछ समझा रही हूँ, पहले समझो और उसके बाद कुछ लिखना, ठीक है ना? So if you are measuring the distance from this side to this side, they are represented with a negative sign, or if they are measuring to this side, they represent with a positive sign. In upward direction, positive, and in downward direction, it will be negative. So same like this, if we represent the distance of the object from the lens, we measure the distance from the lens to this side, it should be negative. It don't change anytime. Use always negative. And what is about the focus? Principal focus. What should be the sign of the principal focus? It should be positive, because we represent, because we measure the distance from to this side. And if we measure the distance to this side, it means it should always be positive. F is positive. And what is about the H1? H1 is the height of the object, and it should be always positive. नीचे कुछ है? नीचे कुछ है आपके नोटबुक में? यहाँ देखो. H is always positive. Now, what is about the B, V, and the H2? You know, in this case, we know that the image is real. So, image is real. It means V should be positive or negative. V should be positive or negative. Your name? you do the some question and you find that V is positive, it shows that the image is real. So V positive is real image, and real image is always inverted. Real image is always inverted, so we can say H2 should be positive or negative? Negative. It means if V is positive, H2 should always be negative. Negative means inverted. So they always come together. V positive है तो H आपका जो है वो negative ही आएगा. Okay? There is only the one case where the image is formed, virtual image is formed. What is the condition? What is the name? Thank you, man. The condition in this, the virtual image is formed by the basis. The only condition is where you will place the object so that you find that image is virtual. Point to C है उससे पहले तो कहाँ है ही नहीं in between C and F. This is the only condition to find the virtual image is formed, that you place the object in between the C and F. It means convex lens can also produce a virtual image. So if the image is virtual, it means it formed this side. The V should be, what should be the sign of the V? Negative. The image is formed here, it means the V should be negative. So if V is negative, we will say that it is virtual image. Okay, it is a virtual image. And virtual image is always erect. Virtual and H2 will be positive, it means it is erect. So these are the conditions. जैसे ये तो चेंज नहीं होता, ये तो सेम ऐसे ही रहेगा, कभी चेंज नहीं होगा. But these can be changes. V and H2 can be changes. See, ठीक है, depends on the कि where you should you place the object. It depends on कि किस टाइप कैसा image बनेगी, real बनेगी कि virtual बनेगी. Now there is a lens formula. Lens formula is 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. This is the lens formula. Okay, this is the lens formula. And what is about the magnification? What is the magnification? Anyone? Vedika, Vedika, what is magnification? How do you define it? The ratio of the height of the object. The ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object is called the magnification. So for the lens, magnification is also same, that is H2 upon H1. That is the height of the image to the height of the object. The ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object is called the magnification. And its relation with the V and U is this one, is plus V upon U. In case of mirror, we find that H2 upon H1 is equal to minus V upon U. But in lens, give plus U. Okay? So please write down this all. Numericals based on convex lens. Write down the question. This is the question. A convex lens of focal length 10 cm. Write down the question. The convex lens of focal length 10 cm. I am going to rub this board. Okay. Of focal length 10 cm is placed at a distance of 12 cm. Is placed. Okay, sorry. A convex lens of focal length 10 cm is placed at a distance of 12 cm from a wall. 12. 1 to 12. far from the lens, should an object be placed so as to form a real image of the wall. So as to form a real image of the wall. So you have to explain me what is given in the question. What is there in the question? Your name maybe? Aisha. Ayushi. Ayushi, what is given in the question?
Focal length is 10 centimeters.
Okay, it means F. Is it positive or negative? Positive. So 10 centimeters is the focal length. And?
It is placed at a distance of 12 centimeters from the wall.
Okay, so this is the. We are placing this lens at a distance of 12 centimeters from the wall. So what is this?
An object.
देखो आपको इमेज किसकी बनानी है? हाँ, वॉल की बनानी है. Okay, this is the object. If you want to make the image of the wall, wall is the object for us. So the distance of the lens and the object is called u. No, u. And what is u? U is equal to minus 12. Yeah, it's very important that you should write the sign with the values. U is minus 12. Now, what do you have to find here?
Form a real image of the wall.
Okay. So, okay, no. This you have to find the image on the wall. So it means you are going to prepare the image on the wall. This is the screen. See, मैंने थोड़ा से पढ़ा था इसका क्वेश्चन. आप स्क्रीन पे wall as a screen आप use कर रहे हैं. And you have to you want to find the image on the wall. It means this is the distance of the screen from the lens. And the distance of the screen from the lens is called, the distance of the image from the lens is called V. So this is the V. देखो एक बार क्वेश्चन कैसे देखेंगे? क्वेश्चन ये दिया है कि लेंस को हमने वॉल से 12 सेंटीमीटर दूर रखा है और हमें जो ऑब्जेक्ट की इमेज बनानी है वॉल पे बनानी है. ठीक? अब आप इस वॉल पे इमेज बनाना चाहते हो. यहाँ पे आपको ऑब्जेक्ट है, यहाँ लेंस है. तो डिस्टेंस ऑफ द वॉल फ्रॉम द लेंस इज V. Or since we are going to make a real image of it, it means V should be positive. Real image means V should be positive. This is V, this is not U, plus 12. And it is asking the question that where should the object be placed? It means we have to find the U. You have to find the value of U. So by using the formula, let's formula it is 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U, you can find the value of U. Please do this question. Sit down, beta. Do this numerical yourself and find the value of U. I am also doing here. Oh my God, आप तो ज़्यादा फास्ट हो गया. Very good. ऐसे कितना है इसका? 16. 5 minus 6. Minus 1 upon 6. Okay. So U is equal to minus 60 centimeter. Since we know that U should always be negative, so we can say the object should be placed at a distance of 60 centimeter from the lens. Okay, good. Have you all done this question? Now the next question. Write the question. If an object of 7 centimeter height, if an object of 7 centimeter height is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter, 7 is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from the convex lens. Now we are placing the object from the lens at the distance of 12 centimeter of focal length 8 centimeter. The focal length of the lens is 8 centimeter. Of focal length 8 centimeter. Find the position, nature, and the height of the image formed.
Focal length is
observation means you have to find the distance of the image from the lens. Okay, this is the B. Nature means what type of the image is from, it is real or it is virtual, and the height is h2. So what is given in the question, Aryan? What is given in the question? F is equal to plus or minus? Plus 8 centimeter, and object of height 7 centimeter placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from the lens. What is given in the question now? और क्या दिया हुआ है? It means you don't write the question, huh? You did not write the question. An object of height 7 centimeter placed at the distance of 12 centimeter from the lens. Okay, what is given the question? Tell me. F is 8 centimeter.
Height of the object.
That is what symbol we use for representing the height of the object? H1. Huh? H1 is 7 centimeter. And positive. Okay, good. Now, and u is how much? Minus 12 centimeter. We know that u is always represented with the sign negative, minus sign. So, okay, good. Sit on this. Now you can use the less formula to find the value of b, and also for magnification, the formula of magnification to find the value of u. So now I think we have done this question. Okay, good. Now please do this question. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. If you have any problem with the multiple question, please ask me. Otherwise, how will I will supposed to know that you are not getting my points. because समझा रहे हो समझ नहीं आ रहा है. तो please फिर भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो बोलो कि ये क्यों हो रहा है, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. Okay. Now 1 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon b minus minus plus 1 upon 5. Okay. 1 upon b is equal to 1 upon 24. Difference b is equal to 24 centimeter. Now you find that the b is positive, and if b is positive, it represents that the image is real. And real image is always negative. So we can say the image is formed at a distance of 24 centimeter, and the real image is formed. The real image is formed at a distance of 24 centimeter from the lens. Okay. Now you have to find the value of h2, the height of the image. Which formula you will use to find the height of the image? Good. Good. Magnification is equal to h2 upon h1 is equal to v upon u. Now put the value of these terms like h1, v and u, and just tell me what is the answer of minus 40. Minus 40. Minus sign means? Minus means inverted image. So now we will say that a real and inverted image is formed at a distance of 24 centimeter from the lens. Okay. Now one more question. Okay, this is the nice question. This is the good. Now write down the question. A convex lens produces an inverted image. Convex lens produces an inverted image. Okay, inverted image. Magnified 3 times. Magnified 3 times of an object. A convex lens produces an inverted image. Magnified 3 times of an object placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from it. Calculate the focal length of the lens. centimeter from it? Calculate the focal length of the lens. Okay, now we will explain how can we do this question. Achha? Saurabh, I know you know all these questions. आपने मुझे फोन पे आंसर्स किए थे तो आई कैन सोच सकती मैं कि आपको आते हैं क्वेश्चंस. हाउ कैन यू? यस. वेट. Saurabh, what is given the question? Magnification is how much? Huh? 3. Is it really 3? Minus 3. You know one thing? If the image is real, then magnification will be negative. And if the image is virtual, magnification is always positive. You know what's happened? Why magnification negative will be if real image is formed? Saurabh? Because inverted image is formed. We know that magnification is equal to h2 upon h1. Now h1 is always positive. If real image is formed, it always inverted. It means h2 will be negative here. So if h2 is negative and h1 is positive, magnification will be negative. It means real image. If real image is formed, we will say that magnification will be negative. And if virtual image is formed, we know that h1 is always positive. And for the virtual image, h2 is always positive. So it means both are positive. So magnification will be positive if a virtual image is formed. It should be very clear to you that magnification will be negative for the real image and positive for the virtual image. Okay, good. Saurabh, continue. We are placing the object at a distance of 15 centimeter. थोड़ा सा तेज बोल दो. This is U. U is minus 15 centimeter. Good, Saurabh. Okay. How can you solve this question? Good. Okay, we will find the relation between the V and U from this formula, and then we will apply the 1 over F focal length formula. Okay, good. Sit down. Good. I want to explain one more thing. भूल गई क्या बताऊँ? It doesn't matter. चलिए ओके. मैग्निफिकेशन आ गया -3, U है -15 और हम यूज करते हैं मैग्निफिकेशन का फॉर्मूला. मैग्निफिकेशन इज इक्वल टू V upon U and we are applying the formula -3 is equal to V upon U. So what is the value of V? 45 centimeter. Then I think you can do yourself. How can you find the F? Then find the value of F and tell me the answer. Correct? 11.2. Good. So this is the focal length. One more question I want to ask you. Okay, this is about the markers of convex lens. I'm not finding any different questions. थोड़ा सा मुश्किल क्वेश्चन चाहिए तो फिलहाल नहीं मिलते. कोई नहीं, मैं असाइनमेंट में दे दूँगी कहीं ना कहीं से ढूंढ के. Now about the concave lens. Now we are going to prepare the images formation by the concave lens. Concave lens. We know the concave lens. Okay, one more question. I have remembered that I ask you why this lens work like a converging lens. Who is going to explain me? Why convex lenses work like a converging lens? Why converge on the light rays? Who is going to explain me why these light rays are convergent when it passes from the convex lens? आपको इंटरेस्ट नहीं आता क्वेश्चंस मिलते हैं आपको ढूंढो कहाँ से क्या हो रहा है. ऐसा क्यों है? तो क्वेश्चंस मिलते हैं तो क्लास में कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जो हमेशा रिस्पॉन्स कर रहे होते हैं. null response क्यों है? चलो next class में देखेंगे बस. Okay. Now this is the concave lens. It means we did not see any videos because I explained in the video why this lens is work like a converging lens and why this lens work like a diverging lens. I explained all these things in the videos and don't see the videos. That's why you don't know how can we solve this question that this work like converging lens and diverging lens. This one is work like a converging lens. बताइए कि ये भी टाइम है. जाओ तुम भी छोड़ा. मैं नहीं बताने वाली. वीडियोस देखो, ढूंढो कहीं से और फिर मुझे आंसर दो. Now this is the concave lens. Now we know that the concave lens also have two focus. That's the convex lens. Focus 1 and focus 2. You know, in case of concave lens, we use this focus for images formation. Harshit, what are you doing? Looking here. So these are the two focus of the concave lens. We know that we always place the object this side. No? So the light which is coming from this side will passes after passing through the lens, it will diverge, and it appears to diverge from the focus. So that's why we use this focus. We don't use this focus because we always place the object this side, and this is this lens diverges the light ray. So we can say this focus is work forward. It means we use this focus for concave lens. So what should be the sign of this focal length for the concave lens? What should be the sign? It should be negative. So you should always remember that convex lens has a positive focal length, but concave lens always has negative focal length because we use this focus for the formation of images. Okay. These are the rules. First one, which the light ray which is passes from the, which is coming towards which is coming parallel to the physical axis passes